Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another creative collab look, and this month's theme is Beach Day because August 30th is National Beach Day. So this is the look I came up with, and you're gonna have to check out the other ladies' videos to see the look that they come up with or how they created their looks, because I'm going to show you a picture of their look. And those participating in this month is Afoma from Amofa.O, Candace from Candace Hampton, Rachel from Ray Young, Lisa from the Curvy Cuban, and Tara from Tara_Beauty. So please go check out their looks after you check out this one. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this look. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and get started with this look, and my skin is really bad right now. Whenever the weather changes, my skin breaks out. I don't really understand that, but it does. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. We are going to prime the face with Mana Beauty Simplified Runway Ready Face Primer. Okay, face is primed. Now we are moving in. Ooh, I didn't get eye primer. Okay, I'm back. The eye primer of choice is Marc Jacobs. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and conceal and then put the foundation on. So concealer, I am using Juvia's Place in shade 21 and 23.
You make me move, you make me dance, you make my heart beat super fast. You lift me up, you make me laugh. Baby, you're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever. Okay,
so I clearly used too much concealer and just concealed the whole face, which is fine for what I'm going for. It doesn't really matter. But this is a look. We are going to use Juvia's Place again in shades Vienna 700 and Isla 730, and I'm going to mix this into it to give my face a nice gold sheen. Alright, now that my face looks ridiculously pale and white, we're moving on to eyebrows, and I am going to use the brow bar. So my eyes are going to look pretty normal. Okay, so that is good enough for eyebrows. We are moving on into the eyes themselves. And I'm going to work from these two palettes right here. The I can't even speak right now. This palette and this palette. That is what we're using for the eyes. So I kind of want a sunset number. Not a legit sunset, but I want like my eyes to be like the sun. So that is what I'm going to try to do. I'm not trying to look for, I don't know. Well, anyways, I'm just going to do it, and we'll move on from there. So for the creases of the eye, I'm going to go with this color right here called Shady. I am going to go in with Selena right here.
You lift me up, you make me laugh. Baby, you're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Sunshine. Okay, I'm gonna take this Glam color and use that on the lid. Okay, I'm gonna use these two colors right here, Bougie and Inner Beauty, on the lids for some more shine, because I just kind of picture the sun sparkly and shiny, but I picture everything sparkly and shiny, so who cares?
You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best. You're the best I ever.
Okay, so I'm gonna go under the eyes with this Cotton Candy color, and then I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Lucid Dream under the eye as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Rosé All Day and go back under the eyes.
You make me dance. You make my heart beat super fast. You lift me up.
Okay, so now we have the sun part sort of done. So I'm going to go ahead and align and lash, and then we'll move on to the rest of the face. So we're going to use Marc Jacobs in the bottom of the waterline.
You make me laugh, baby, you're the
And we're moving to the top part with this right here.
best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had.
Alright, for mascara we got Marc Jacobs. Alright, eyeliner is done. Now we need some lashes because this is that kind of look. And I am using something that I had got in my Glitz Glam box. And this is J Lash Sprinkles. I think these are perfect for this kind of look because I think wispy and fun when I think of beach. So that is what we're going with. So those are the lashes. Okay, they might be too much for my face. But anyways, they're on. Now for the fun part, I want the C on my face. So I got these stickers, and this is an idea I got from my friend Tara, who is in this collab, because she did a look a while ago where she used stickers. I think that was the, what was it? That was the, can't think. That was St. Patrick's Day. There we go. Yeah. So that is what I am going to do, is I'm going to place some stickers on my face. Okay, so I got the C items on my face, so now I'm going to kind of paint over it with these two colors right here. This is a pigment from Trifle Cosmetics in Mint Macaroon, and this is from this is from Concrete Minerals West Coast. There we go. I think I want to put some gold in those spots a little bit. I am going to use this right here. This is Saint Laurent in Rose Gold.
You make me move, you make me dance, you make my heart beat super fast. You lift me up, you make me laugh. Baby, you're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had.
Actually kind of like it just like that. So I think now I'm going to put some lip color on, and that would be Rose Pose by Beauty Bakery. Kind of matches the gold I just put on my face. I think I'm going to use a little glitter because I feel like I need that. I am using the Best of Life palette, the first one, and I'm going to use this gold on the eyelids right here. Now I'm going to use these two glitters on the face to, I don't know, just make it sparklier because, I mean, it's me. I think that does it. I think this is it for my beach look. Tried to do the ocean on my face. I don't know. I feel like I could have outlined it, but I feel like if I outlined it, it would be a little too harsh for a beach theme. I think this looks fine. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think this was a successful look or no? Anyways, that is it of my video. So please don't forget to check out the other ladies' videos. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.